Hi, I'm Ira Harper, and my favorite language is Python. I love it because it was created to be a collaborative, open source, and multi use language that would be accessible to anyone. It can be used for data, basic scripts, or even IoT and hardware projects. Plus, it enforces great programming habits by design. Python, named after Monty Python, is made to be fun to learn and fun to create with, and that's why it's my favorite language. Andy?
Yeah, unlike Ira's favorite programming language, mine was not named after a comedy film. How good can a programming language really be if it's named after a movie? I'm joking, obviously. Python is an amazing language, and it's extremely versatile. So my favorite programming language is going to be JavaScript. This is the one that I want to spotlight for today, primarily because of its versatility and the way that it treads around this idea of this sort of this gray line of being object-oriented programming language, but kind of not. I really love that versatility in that aspect. It also has a variety of APIs that have branched off of JavaScript and made it a little easier to work with. Uh, for example, working with things like the DOM. So with all that said, thank you guys for watching this today. I know it's a quick tribute, but we did just want to pay tribute to National Coding Week here at the Computer Workshop. And what we would like for you guys to do is go ahead and take some time to browse our website at tcworkshop.com. We have a ton of coding classes up there, and some for beginner, some for advanced. We would love to help you guys out and help you start that journey on just taking on coding in general. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, you can reach out to us at training@tcworkshop.com or myself specifically at adaily@tcworkshop.com. That's DALEY. So again, thank you guys, and hopefully we will see you around the computer workshop.